How to stop automatic payments. Keybank. Keybank is a U.S.-based regional bank, offering retail, commercial, and investment banking services. It provides financial solutions like personal banking, corporate finance, wealth management, and investment banking, catering to individuals, businesses, and corporations. First, log in to your Keybank account. From the portal homepage, click on Payee List in the Master File section. Locate the payee you need to stop the payment for, and click the View link to access their file. In the Payee view for the individual's record, click the Summary tab, then click the Checks tab to view all checks and select the View link on the outstanding check. Click the Reverse button in the top left corner of the check view screen. Complete the reason fields. The checkbox selections default appropriately based on tax year and redeposit versus reissue selections. If a reissue is needed, this is the only box that needs to be checked. Click the OK button to process the stop payment. You will receive a confirmation notification that the stop payment has been submitted. That's it. Thanks for watching.